Hi everyone, I am Priyavashni, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In today's software development environment, many projects fails not because of coding errors, but due to poor requirement understanding, frequent changes, and lack of user involvement. Traditional project management models like the waterfall model follow a rigid structure, which makes it is difficult to handle real-time users, needs, and changes. So, to overcome these issues, organizations are now adopting design thinking in software project management. Design thinking is user-centered approach that focuses on understanding the actual problems of users before developing the solution. So instead of making solution assumptions, it encourages teams to empathize with users, clearly define the problem, and generate innovative ideas, build a prototype, and test them continuously. So in this case study, EduTrack Solution Private Limited applied design thinking while developing a college management system. So the team interacted with the college administrators, faculty members, and students to understand their daily challenges. Based on their feedback, flexible and user-friendly features were designed using iterative development. As a result, the project achieved better communication, reduced rework, improved usability, and higher user satisfaction. So, this shows the design thinking transforms software project management into a flexible, collaborative, and efficient process, leading to successful project outcomes. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Ajita, and today we are solving a problem for which is being a daily day-to-day problem for all the faculties and administrative staffs and for students. We are building a software for college system management, and we are solving it by using the DT pillars with the phases like empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So I am here to explain the empathize phase. The empathize phase, in one word, we are telling it is understanding the users. In this phase, we are solving and knowing what the problems, exactly what the problems users were facing. So based on our case study, building in software for college management system, we could have the stakeholders as the faculty members and the administrative staffs and the students. We could know their problem by conducting interviews and taking surveys and having conversation manually with the students, not by each but by automating it. And also we could observe the field and what was the problems the students were facing. And by doing interviews, surveys, and getting feedback from the users, and by also in addition by observing the field of the students and the faculty members, we get to know that the faculties were having the problem as maintaining day-to-day attendance of students and manual entry of mark management, and for administrative staffs they were feeling hard to manage the paperwork and manual entry jobs. And for the students, they were not getting enough and frequent information from the staffs or from the administrative management system. So we could solve it by building the software. Students were engaged to the apps, like they could get notified what was the system get updated in the software or from the college. So by this empathize phase, we could solve and we could get a structure of the problem. Thank you.
In design thinking, the define state is the second and most important step. In this stage, we clearly define the real problem faced by the user based on the information collected during the empathize stage. The project manager analyzes the user need, difficulties, and expectations. Then the state frame clear and user-faced manner instead of assuming the problem. We identify the actual root cause. For example, in the software project, user may face issues like complex interface, slow performance, and missing features. So the problem can be defined as the user need in simple and efficient system to complete their task easily. Therefore, the define stage plays a key role in software project management by ensuring clarity, focus, and direction.
Myself, Bivina. In design thinking, the fourth stage is prototype. In education track solution, converted ideas into a working model of the college management system. Instead of building the full software, the team created a simple and low-cost prototype to test their content yearly. The first designed low field framework to show screen layout and user follows. After that, a basic CMS prototype was developed with essential prototype management, students profiles, exam management, and attendance monitoring. In this stage, project manager and developer helps to visualize present ideas to client, identify design and functional issues early, estimate time and resource accurately, reduce future rework and development risk. By using prototype, stakeholder like faculties and admin staff could interact with the system and give feedback with the final development. Overall, the prototype stage played a key role in improving clarity, minimizing errors, and ensuring the software network using user needs before full-scale implementation. Thank you.
Ideate brainstorming classes were conducted with developers, UI UX designers, project management, clients representatives. Ideates generated module software architecture, role-based dashboards, agile design thinking, hybrid model, regular client feedback meetings, mobile-first design. Project managers shortlisted idea based on flexibility, cost, and time.
Testing user feedback and instruction. Testing user feedback is conducted by real faculty. The feedback receives suggestion simplifying the navigation. This helps to improve the downloading instruction. Adding a report download feature and improves mobile responsiveness.